Welcome to FX Street. If you like what we're talking about, you like our content and our videos, and you want to be updated on a regular basis, join us on our YouTube channel at FX Street and then hit the subscribe button. And if you like what Akash and I are visiting over and what we're talking about, you can follow Akash at Mangyeko on Twitter and myself at Just Analysis One. Taking a look at Bitcoin right away this morning, it's had some pretty sideways movement here. It broke out above this bull flag. And then on the 3rd, on Wednesday, a pretty steep drop, promptly bought back up. Yesterday was a little bit lower, and then today is the same. So yesterday was an inside bar, forming another inside bar today. Support continues to be found up against the Tenkan-sen and the Kijun-sen in the Ichimoku system. Optics bands are flat, composite index flat, RSI is flat. Everything here just points to continued consolidation, nothing really warning of a huge drop or sell-off. If there is a drop lower, my thresholds for going long remain the same as when we went over this last time. Akash, I'm looking at 67K before I would re-enter long or add to a long position, stop at 64K and initial target up at 77K. On the short side of the market, looking for a close around that 60K mark, with a stop at 62 and a target down at 53.5. And I think that pretty much sums up what I have an outlook for Bitcoin. I'll pass it off to you. I'm not sure what you see.
Yeah, so not a lot has changed for me as well. Okay, let me just summarize. Bitcoin's kind of been stuck above 60K, around 60K precisely. It's been hovering here, not showing a lot of strength, but I was expecting a drop into this area here, which is 56K to 53K. That's where a lot of liquidity is present, and also a fair value gap in the 4-hour time frame, if you can see it. Let me just, I think it was down here. Yes. So between these, this is okay. Not this one. Hold on. Yeah. So somewhere starting from 52K to 53K is where the fair value gap is. And just above that is a lot of liquidity. So the liquidity region that I mentioned and the fair value gap kind of overlap. And that's where I'm looking for Bitcoin to go. But so far, it's been hovering around the 60K level and shows no apparent directional bias. So my short thesis still remains. But then again, if we do get a close above 65,200, then I'll be looking to open long positions. But a confirmation for me will arrive only after daily close above $67,000, which is the close of this particular candle here. That's okay. From a technical point of view. You were going to say something, John?
No, I was just saying, okay, that's pretty much kind of levels kind of line up with mine too. So,
yeah, and the global in and out of the money shows the next price level, the next support level ranges from 50K to 60K, which also kind of lines up perfectly well with what I'm looking at in terms of the bearish thesis. That's pretty much it. Like there's not a lot has changed, right? So there's not a lot of volatility that we're seeing on Bitcoin. That's me, John.
All right. Thank you everybody for watching. If you liked what we're talking about, please join us and hit the like button, comment, and subscribe.